Dear connections, today I will discuss about one important tricky SQL interview question which was asked in LinkedIn interview, and this question I collected from Data Lemur platform. Data Lemur is a platform founded by Mr. Nick Singh, which is very useful for polishing your data science skills like statistic, Python, and SQL also. Many data analytics aspirants are asking me one question that we learned SQL, like we learned everything like CTE, subquery, joins, group by everything, but we are not confident for the SQL coding round because nowadays for every data analytics interview, first round of interview will be an SQL round. Okay, so I will recommend them to go for Data Lemur platform. And don't worry, at the in the description of this video I will give you the link of the Data Lemur platform. You can click on that link and make your account and practice. Okay, so let's jump into the Data Lemur platform. So this is a easy level SQL interview question which was asked in LinkedIn. So there is a table, the table name is candidates table. Okay, so here you are tasked with finding the candidate best suited for an open data science job. You want to find candidates who are proficient in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Okay. So there may be many other skill like Power BI, R, SQL Server, etc. But they need to be proficient only in these three skills. Okay. Candidate ID is a integer type, skill is varchar, and yeah, this is the question. Now, at first, what we will do, we will just write a select statement. Select star from candidates to see the overview of the data. Okay. See, there are many candidates like for the same candidate ID, many other skills are also there for 2 3 4 also and 3 4 5 also. Yeah, that means we can see that we need to print only the candidate ID 1 2 3. Only he has all these three skills. Okay, so let's break down the problem. Now here what I will do, I will print the candidate ID. Candidates. I will print the candidate ID at first. Select candidate ID from candidates where skill, there is a skill column where skill in operator, where skill in only Python, that three Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Since all these columns are varchar, this should be enclosed within single quotation. Okay, so yeah, now I will run that code. See, still our work is not done. We need only this 1 2 3. Still it is printing 3 4 5 also. Why it is printing 3 4 5? Because the 3 4 5 candidate ID also has same skill like either Tableau or Python or PostgreSQL or combination of these two like this. Okay, that means still we are out of reach of the solution. So now what should we do? Now I have an idea. We can do one thing. We can found out the count of the skill. Okay, so let's do that. Candidate ID, then count of skill as alias. Let's give a meaningful name like skill count. Always give a meaningful name. From candidates where skill in this, then we need to add a group by function also. Group by group by candidate ID. Yeah. So it will group based on candidate ID. Now let's run our code. So see, 123 has 123 candidate ID. This candidate has all the three required skill count, and 345 has only two required skill count. But still we are out of reach of the solution. Still we did not reach to the solution. We need only this one. We need to print this. So what we need to do now? Let's think differently and write it in a different way. Mm, Candidate ID is required. This count is not required. Count is not required because we need only candidate ID, then candidates, then skill in this group by is also fine. Yes. Now we can use having clause. Having count having count skill having count skill 3, like count of these three skills is 3, having count 3. Then let's add an order by clause. Order by candidate ID. I think this will work. Hooray, this works. Now let me submit. See, it is accepted. Now just think about the solution. There were three parts of the solution. At first I write a select statement, then I found out which candidate has all the three skills. After that using having clause I just printed the particular candidate ID. So why I added having clause? I added having clause to select only that candidate, the 123 ID candidate who has all the three required skills. Okay, so that is the thing. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and let's practice SQL regularly. Thank you.